Hello, I am Blanche from Keps Beauty Supply. I am the owner of this shop. So I am also the extensionist. I do a variety of extensions. So here in this shop we do the tips installation, we do the weft installation, and also the nano bead and eye tips. And also I am specialized on braid extension. So I do all type of African braid. In this shop, like you see here, we have a variety of extensions. So we have Vietnamese extension, we have India extension, and some Brazilian extension. And also we have a good selection of reeds. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Nicole. I'm the stylist at Keps Beauty. I specialize in cuts and colors, but as a multicultural salon, I've been learning a lot more about braids and textured hair and doing African men's haircuts.
We also do contour braids, we do box braid, single braid, nano braid. We also do all types of African braids. Yeah, and we have an amazing nail tech over here.